Hello, how's it going? Wanted to take a minute and record a little video explaining the expectations for your assignment this week. Want to tell you guys hi, I miss y'all. Hope you're enjoying your break, homeschool break, and being successful with your online learning. Let's look at your expectations, your assignments for the week here. April 27th. The first required one is about, someone's already done it, good job. The first assignment is trigonometry. The second one is your Dreambox, 10 assignments. And then the third one is just some square root radical stuff. But let's go look at them in detail. Hopefully I can answer some of the questions you may have about what your expectations are. This first one is back over trigonometry, so it's finally a review. I know y'all done the circles and stuff for a while. That was all new, but now it's back to review. You have a video here, 20-minute video of just walking you through SOHCAHTOA. I'm not going to go watch the whole video. Actually, I'm not going to watch any of it because I want to wait for this ad. So you can watch the video, SOHCAHTOA. It walks you through the exact same method that I taught you in class. And there's a little assignment or a Google, whatever these are, slides that explain the same thing, have some notes and some examples worked out. And then at the end, there's some practice problem. Ooh, I'm glad I looked at this because I wanted to talk about the calculator. Just walk you through SOHCAHTOA. And then at the end, there's 4 practice problems. This calculator that is linked in the assignment back here, there it is up there at the top. I'm not a fan of this calculator. I know the link's there, it's easy to get to. I prefer Desmos a lot more than that. The Desmos calculator has a scientific one also, so you don't need the whole graph. This will give you trigonometry here. Make sure it's in degree mode there. And then there's your inverse, sine, cosine, tangents there. So I prefer this over that other one, but it doesn't matter either way. That's your introduction video and the little PowerPoint. Down here, let's practice. There are some Khan Academy problems here. And then it also says, go back to slides 6, 7, and 8. That's what I just showed you over here. So, actually slides 7 and 8. 4 problems here, and then it gives you the answers over here. This is not going to get turned into me. This is just practice. So, check for understanding, make sure you're doing things right. It gives you the answer. The Khan Academy, same as that. You're not going to turn that in. I can log into Khan Academy and see how you've done anyways, so don't worry about sending that in. We tried to simplify the whole process to where all you have to do is turn in 1 assignment for the week, and that's going to be this down here. Go to my link. It's a Google form all about trigonometry, so it should be pretty easy for you guys if you remember what we learned back before the corona, BC. So work those out, submit it to me. It'll show me how you did. That is assignment 1. Let's go back to assignment 2 is your Dreambox assignment. I'm not going to go look at this because that's just the instructions. To log in, you'll go to Clever, log in with your Google account, your school Gmail account. Down here you'll see Dreambox. I can't click on that because it opens up my teacher dashboard and shows student information, but once you go there, it is personalized to you. I'm very impressed to see almost all of y'all doing these activities last week. There were a lot of y'all who did this. We even got a new student last week, and she got on Dreambox and did all of her work, so very good job to all of y'all. Almost all of y'all. You know who you are, who's not doing Dreambox. And the optional assignment for the week is a review of square roots. So there's this IXL. We cannot log into IXL, so I know it says to get your score to at least a 70. Just work through a couple problems. It'll cut you off after a while. Spend, I think the time, yeah, 5 minutes on this, so don't spend forever on this. Just work a couple problems and see how good you can do. See if you can do as good as I can do, 100%. I'm going to leave it at that. Next, you have a video and some Khan Academy practice over, again, square roots, just making the factor tree and taking the pairs out of the square root and all that. And then some simplifying when you have radicals in the denominator. I'm not going to go through much of this, but just wanted to walk you through what to do. At the end, you then have the forms where you have to simplify these. So just get scratch paper, do your little factor tree, and submit these. How many problems? However many problems it is, I don't know. A couple, 6 or 8, maybe. So that's your assignment for the week. If you do have any questions, we do our Google Hangout on Wednesday at 1 o'clock from 1 to 2. It might get changed to 1:30 this week. I'll keep you posted. I'll text you, or post on your Google Classroom. There's a different meeting we have at 1, so I don't know if I have to miss one. I don't know. So I'll keep you posted. And then Friday we have another one from 1:30 to 2 where you can come in and ask some questions, and I can share my screen and walk you through what to do. So enjoy it. Good luck. Let me know what I can do to help you out.